Hey guys, RealFan845 here again, and it's been a while. I got back from the Westchester train show, and I gotta say, there was a ton, and I mean, I'm not kidding, a ton of stuff at the show. I got a lot to get to. I got to see a lot of stuff there. Sorry about shaking. But I got to see a lot of stuff. I got a bunch of stuff too. I got like a bunch of stuff. My brother, Greg C5 2998, my little brother, got a bunch of stuff there too. Check out his videos. He's gonna be uploading the train show videos. There was a bunch of stuff there. There was not that many layouts, but there was a decent amount of layouts. There was an O scale layout, there was a big G scale layout, and an American Flyer layout, and a small HO layout. And I put Train Guy, aka Doc. I want to say thanks for that information about Westchester Train and Hobbies. But I didn't see you at the show. Well, I wouldn't be able to tell who you are because I don't even know what you look like, so. Anyways. What I did get is a bunch of stuff. I got, well, I'm gonna get to that in like a few minutes, but, I'm talking about the show for a couple minutes. So, the show was awesome. There were a lot of great stuff. I did see a nickel plate road, a Perry Marquette 1225 tender, I think it was, the legacy one, but I didn't know how much money it was, and I wouldn't be able to buy it anyway. Some guy was selling a legacy set, didn't see the price for it, so. And no, I did not buy legacy at the show, sadly. I wish I did, but. There was post-war galore there. There was a ton of post-war stuff. So I'm going to be getting to what I got in like another minute or two. I will say I did get 4 new pieces of rolling stock there. So, and they're all old models, but they're nice looking ones that caught my eye and I just had to buy them. There's the Mikado. And something else about the actual layout where that track is right there. I'm not going to say what is over there yet. And it's not an engine, but unfortunately, but it's something nice. So, back to here. So, what I got, we're going to get to right now. The moment you've been waiting for. At the Westchester train show, I got 4 pieces of rolling stock, I said. Now, here are those 4 pieces of rolling stock. These are really nice. The first one is an old K-Line nickel plate road reefer car. It's very nice. This goes out to Road Trip 445. He is a nickel plate road type of guy. And this would look pretty decent with his Perry Marquette 1225. Maybe not, but I think it looks real cool. There's a lot of detail on this thing. None of the doors opened, unfortunately. Oops, little part fell off for a sec. Oh, nothing. It's okay. So there's the top. The next car, it's a brand new Pennsylvania Railroad car. Let me show you that. There's a lot of detail on this, and it's nice and heavy too. What is on it? This is spring. This is spring. I'm not going to get to that yet. But the Pennsylvania car is nice. It's another K-Line. It's black. It has this. This isn't removable though, but this is black with. It's a black gondola, but it has nice detail on it. It has this wood on it. This shovel, which you can actually stick into the gravel. So that's kind of nice, but I like to have it off. And then the last thing that's on here, which is very cool, it's got a separate truck on it. And that's really nice too. So there's that. And it's really nice. The next piece of rolling stock I purchased goes out to Lionel Kid 18. It's a Southern gondola car. It's really nice. These are removable. And this is a very nice car. Stop. And the last car is very nice. It's from Lionel. It's a Pennsylvania Railroad baggage car. This is real nice. It looks really nice with my Pennsylvania, my other Pennsylvania coach. I'm going to be doing a separate video with those two cars. So this is another passenger car. So now that you've seen all of these, oh, and it lights up in it. It's got, now these you have to screw on separately. Now a scenery update real quick. Now I did finish regrassing this and that, and that over there. But here's what I did. I added these logs. These are not fake. These are real logs from a tree that my dad cut down. And these look real cool. And over here, I added more trees. Here's some more of the logs. Here's some of the trees. This might be like a hobo thing or something like that. I'm not sure yet. And the last thing I got. Now this is one of the best parts. Ta-da! I finally got the rest of my straight tracks for me to run from over there to way down over here. Now, let me move over here. I got, these are two separate pieces of track, and this is a 30-inch straight piece from here to here. So now I can run my trains around the layout now. Now, what's left with the track work, I need to get this and make it go over there. Strasbourg will go over there, and it will go from that switch. So now that that's out of the way, I'm gonna. Oh wait, one other quick thing. I put the logs over here too, so it looks nice. Now I'm gonna be running the train for you for real this time, guys. Can actually run the train again. I just plug the ZW880 in. Sorry, ignore that noise, guys. Oh, well, whatever. I'm very excited to start running trains again. Sorry, the sounds got cut guys, this is Railfin E45 signing out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.